Okay, let's talk about AI avatars. Not just any avatars, though. We're going for something hyper-realistic.
But most of what you see looks kind of fake, right? Plasticky. I'll show you how to get that cinematic look.
And here's the secret. It's not actually the animation. It's all about the picture you start with.
So how do we get that perfect image? Well, it's just a simple three-step process. Let's break it down. See, you want it to look professional, but not too perfect. You don't want that weird AI glow.
What's really cool is you can actually edit the AI image, clean up the background, add little details.
All right, our image is ready. Now let's make it talk. We're going to start with a tool called HeyGen.
Inside HeyGen, it's pretty straightforward. But listen up, choosing the right voice is a huge deal.
You can also control how expressive it is. For corporate stuff, you probably want less, jazz hands.
HeyGen also lets you add small custom movements, and it automatically creates captions, which is a lifesaver.
But watch closely. See that? There's a tiny freeze between sentences. It's a small thing, but it feels off.
So is there a way to fix that? Yep. Let me show you another tool called Design.
And this is what makes design so good. It adds that little bit of breathing that feels way more natural.
So it's a trade-off. HeyGen is packed with features, but Design absolutely nails that cinematic, fluid motion.
There is a catch, though. Design is way more expensive. You get a lot less video for your money. Okay, but what about bigger movements, not just a talking head? There's a new tool called Cowling for that.
So, cloning isn't quite there yet. The hands are weirdly rubbery and the lip sync is a little off.
All right, let's really push things. Could an AI avatar, say, hold and review a specific book from Amazon?
You bet. You just need a style reference and a picture of the product, and you can generate the scene.
And look at this. The AI copies the book cover almost perfectly. Even the tiny text is there.
Then it's back to our tools. We just use the same steps to make her talk about the book she's holding.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's really simple. Quality in, quality out. Garbage in, garbage out.
So just remember these things. Start with a great image, pick the right tool, and just experiment with it.
This tech is moving so fast. It really makes you wonder, what happens when we just can't tell the difference anymore?